When I first visited the traditional furniture company Thonet in Germany, one machine jumped into my eyes, and it was a complete new CNC bending machine for steel tubes. And if you're in front of it and see the steel bending within seconds, you're absolutely fascinated by this machine. A tube, a steel tube, which is actually a two-dimensional piece going from A to B, and becomes within seconds a constructive body and it's stable object you can use. It's just like making rapid prototyping, but instead of plastic and it's a real piece, you can really sit on it. And it's the absolutely, I must say, the absolutely fantastic toy for any designers. And this machine is from BLM group in northern Italy. And so we went to Italy and worked with this machine. And this machine is actually made for serial production, but it has no tooling. So it can make any radius you want, and you can twist and turn the tube while bending it. Actually, it's just depending on the programming. If you change the program, completely different pieces can come out. So as the Wohndesign Pure Vienna asked me to make an installation in the Hofburg, which is one of the biggest traditional buildings in the center of Vienna, I knew exactly I wanted to make something with this machine. And I wanted to make different chairs as an experiment, just consisting of one steel tube, and you actually can sit under them without having additional backrest or additional seat shell. And when I looked at the history of Thonet, I found out that the Mart Stam, when he first presented the Freischwinger, 1926, it was made of simple tubes screwed together, and you couldn't use that. It's just a presentation of an idea, of a concept, without having any backrest, without having any seat shell. And this was the very beginning of steel tube bending internationally. For this experiment, we decided to take the whole machine, it's about 5 tons, putting this machine into the Hofburg and making different seating objects, and in a limited edition. It's absolutely cool. You push the button and what comes out is something you can try out. And if it doesn't work, and if you want to adjust it and make it a little bit higher or lower, you just change the parametrics and then you can try it again. This experiment is not about the object, it's not about the outcome, not about the pieces. It's also about the machine in the center. It's also about the whole complexity, also with the historical background of Thonet. And after the years of handcraft in the past in design, over the last 10 years or more, I wanted to make something which is completely automized, which is completely computerized, without any hands-on, without any handcraft. And we wanted to shift the possibilities from steel tube bending. We wanted to make an experiment. And maybe this can open a new perspective to individualized furniture. My name is Thomas Feichtner, I'm product designer in Vienna. The project Steel Tube Bending is a cooperation between BLM Group, Thonet, and the Wohndesign Pure Vienna. Thank you for your support.